A very useful function to know is how to split a line. So for instance, if I wanted to segment sew this white box with this long segment to each of these smaller segments, and I went to do a direct segment sew, it would be an 18-inch length piece to a 6-inch length piece, which would stretch my flag fabric quite a bit. Instead, let's split that line to make 3 equivalent 6-inch segments. To do that, go up to your Edit Pattern tool up here, hold it down, and then go down to the very bottom to select Add Point or Split Line. The quick keyboard stroke is X if you are once you get into it. So Add Point, Split Line. As you are hovering over the line you want to split, you can see that you can see line measurements. You can estimate or create a line of a length of your choosing, or if you right click, you can get a precision box that allows you to segment it in a number of different ways. If you wanted 2 equivalent lines, or 2 lines in general, you can split into 2 lines and select the length of each line, recognizing that line 1 is the yellow one and line 2 is the blue one. In this case, I'd like to split it into 3 uniform lengths. I don't get to select the length of them, but I do get to select the number of segments it is divided by. In this case, I would like it to be divided into 3 uniform segments, in this case, each of which are 6 inches long. And I'm going to hit OK. And that gives me defined segments of a particular length. If I go back to Edit Pattern, I can then select each segment to see that they are indeed the same length segment, and they are defined clearly. So now I can do segment sewing or whatever else I need to do to transform my pattern.